Welcome back to Outdoors Adventures and Survival. Today I will be telling you about how to use your watch to tell which way is south, and you can go from there. South, north, east, and west. If you can find you figuring out on south, you'll know where you're at. Okay, we're going to get right to it. Right here, the sun's done, the sun's right yonder. See my sun. See this sun. Right yonder. Okay, what you want to do, look at your watch here. You want to, since it's about going down, you still do the same method. Take that, turn it straight down like this right here. You want to take the hour hand, and I'm going to point it at the sun. Like that right there. Now you see, the sun's over yonder. I'm going to point it directly at it. Now halfway between the hour hand and 12, I'm having to do this with one hand. I got to get me one of them thingamajiggies. Between, that's pointing at the sun. Between the hour hand and the 12 here. It's that way. That's the south right there. Now, okay, if everything, if the sun had came up, and let me get this to focus because our daylight is eluding us. If the hour hand was just saying this is over an evening, I just go by like right here. The hour hand would say, just say anywhere between here, like 9 o'clock, just say. I would point that at that sun, and then halfway between the 9 there and 12, halfway between that hour hand will be south. It's as simple as that. But since it's going down right yonder, I'm gonna point. Since it's over in the daylight, it's here this evening. My mess don't want to focus right because the time of day, I guess. There's a light, but point that at there, and between that hour hand at 12, south. How do I know that's correct? Well, where I'm at right now, I should know because I live here. Um, to my left here is south. Behind me is east. To my right is north, and that's west. Now in the evening, if I didn't have this watch, I would do the shadow method. I need to do that. I need to show y'all that. And I would do the shadow method. And just, if you had to, wait at the end of the day when the sun's starting to go down like now. Because see where I'm at, I'm in northern hemisphere here. So since it's going down there, I know that's the west. So it rises in the east like we know. So that means that's west going down. To my left is south. To my right is north. Behind me is east. So there we have it. Okay, y'all have a great one. And I haven't uploaded one in a while. So I'm gonna upload this one probably. Gonna think on it. But yeah, y'all leave a comment, like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to on what type of videos y'all would like me to make. Now, right now, I'm limited to what type of videos. Now, I could get my vehicle and drive to some areas, but the flu is going around very bad here where I'm at. We had snow. We had 8 degrees, 7 degrees, right there near zero almost. And everyone getting out in it, playing in this snow and carrying on. The next, what, a week later, we in the 70s, 60s, 30s at night, 40s in the night, 50s during the day, and people are really sick. So yeah, remember them in prayer. Also, I'm going to try to make more videos. I got a lot of places here to make videos in a way, but there's a place that I like going that's really nice and all to make them videos. So we're going to see. Okay, y'all have a blessed one. And again, leave your comments down below, like, subscribe, and I need you to, each and every one that will, take and leave a comment if you would like to on what type of videos you would like me to make. Y'all are interested in. That's what I'm wanting to do right there. Okay, see y'all next time. Outdoor Adventures and Survival. For now.